Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine. Once again, yes, today I'm going to predict about. My predictions would be based on astrology and numerology. And if you want daily predictions about the American markets, American stocks, or if you want me to give you predictions over WhatsApp every day regarding gold, silver, copper, natural gas, Nasdaq 100, US Tech 100 or S&P 500, you're most welcome to contact me. My charges for weekly would be $98. That is all you have to pay for 5 days of predictions. And I not only give predictions just once, I keep updating them as and when required. Yes, as and when required. So let me start with the S&P 500 first for today, and then see, I have been telling y'all about the S&P 500. I had told you all clearly that S&P 500 will touch a level of 7,000 in the month of January 2026. Those people who heard this prediction of mine, please press the like button. It is almost there. It is trading at 6955. It is almost there. I had predicted about this when it was the S&P 500 was trading around 6780, and I had told you all clearly that 7,000 is imminent. I had told you all this. It's about to happen. And as you all can see on your trading screen, currently, S&P 500 is trading at 6953. So, S&P 500 today can test a level of 6926. 6926 will be the level at which you can buy the S&P 500 intraday. Not a positional trade, but intraday. And those people who are traders, don't forget to keep a stop loss. Stop losses are very important. Yes, it saves your life, it saves your money, it gives you another opportunity to trade in the markets the next day, the next week, the next month. Yes, stop losses are a part of a trader. If you are trading and if you don't understand stop loss, if you are a trader and if you don't understand the meaning, the importance, the gravity of a stop loss, then you can never be a successful trader. You can never be one. It's as simple as that. So, stop loss for a trader is very important. Very, very important. So the next index on my list is US Tech 100, and you can buy US Tech 100 today at a level of around 25,546. 25,546. And as a Nasdaq 100 futures, you can buy it at a level of 25,671. That is the level at which you need to buy the Nasdaq 100 futures. Now coming to gold and silver. It's been a negative day for the silver and gold. The levels. It's been a negative day, so just relax. this is one of the negative days in the market, so you don't need to be worried about. My general view about silver and gold is that it's going to go up. It's going to go up further. Yes, it's going to go up further. I have no doubt about it. That gold and silver will cross its previous highs. Yes, possible. But for today, if you want to buy silver, that would be somewhere in the region of 7680. 7680. Yes, 7680 is the level at which you should buy silver today, and not before that. Gold, you can buy it at a level of 4430, not before that. So crude oil, you see, I had told you all it will go to $60, but it didn't go to $60. That was a wrong prediction of mine. I had told you all that, from $55.50 it will go to $60. But I'm seeing a correction in crude because Mr. Trump yesterday announced that they are going to transfer about 50 million barrels of 70 million barrels, if my memory serves me right, to US from Venezuela. So there will be no dearth of oil in the US. That is why this reaction today. But I'm still very certain that from $55 again, crude oil will start going up and up. And it will touch a level of $60.20 in the coming months. Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin today at a level of around let me tell you, 90,618 to be precise is the level at which you should buy Bitcoin today. Copper, I am still very bullish. A 1 or 2 days correction is not something which you need to be worried about. Generally speaking, I am bullish on copper. Yes, copper is something which you can easily buy at lower levels. Copper is something you can easily buy at lower levels. And that level would be somewhere in the region of $5.59. So if you get a level of $5.59, that is the level at which you should buy copper. You should buy copper. So let me take your questions first. Will copper test $5.50, 5.59? Your MCX downside target came by today evening. Best of luck. By Friday, can silver come to $68 as you said, downside levels in weekly video? Possible. Not 68. 68 is too far. Maybe I'm wrong then with my predictions over there. Sahilji, maybe I'm wrong. $68 seems unlikely. Sahilji. Not now, not this week at least. $68 seems unlikely, Sahilji. Rahulji, India, I'm not talking about the Indian markets, please. right now. I talk about the Indian markets, I predict about the Indian markets at 12 noon every day. Natural gas, I have already spoken about. Bitcoin, January low and high, Guruji. That's what you want to ask me, right? Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin, my analysis is that once again, Bitcoin can test a level of 80 to 83,000. That is my view. But for the time being, I think it can touch a level of around, say, $96,000. $96,000. Possibility. There is a possibility. But 82,000 is quite possible also on the lower end. Okay. Now the next question, I have already told you, but $82,000 I think is quite likely. It's quite likely. Quite likely once again. Just let me check once again. I'm checking regarding the Bitcoin. Yes, it is possible. It is on the cards. 82,000, 83,000 is on the cards. I think so, yes. There is a possibility. But the range, the upper level would, in January, would be somewhere in the region of 96,000. And then it can fall from there. No, Vishalji, unlikely. $70 is unlikely in the next few days. Not until Friday at least. Vishalji, this is my predictions. I may be wrong and you may be right. Mr. Kejriwal, I may be wrong and you may be right. But according to astrology and numerology, it's not happening. At least in this week, I'm talking about this week, Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Vishal Kejriwal, $10 on copper. I haven't seen it. Will copper go to $10 in 1 or 2 years? No, seems not in this month at least. Oh, 1 or 2 years. I don't know. I haven't seen that. Computer skills. I haven't seen that until now. NG, natural gas. I was bang on with my predictions. Yes, I had told you all that natural gas is going to fall to a level of, I had told you all the MCX rates. So those rates of mine did come and then it started going up. Hare Krishna, Anandji brought Ethereum at 166, now trading at 67. Can we average it now? When will it rise? Ethereum. Just let me check. Ethereum. 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 I'm not seeing Ethereum. Just let me check. Ethereum at 166. Now trading at 67. Ethereum. I'm not able to find it. Ethereum. No, I can't find it. Anandji, I can't find it. Mr. Anand, I cannot find it. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Cannot find it. Otherwise, I would have given you this prediction. Ethereum I'm getting 3189. I'm not getting Ethereum at $166 and now trading at 67. No, I'm not getting that on my app. If you can just elaborate what is this so that I can check further. Okay, good. Silver next target. Yes, possible. 74.80 is possible. Possible this week. 74.80 is possible on silver this week. Mr. Vijay Kumar, possible. Mr. Anand, I cannot see. Mr. Satish, what about NG? NG is going to go up. It's going to go up. Now NG is, I'm bullish on NG. See, Mr. Vijay Kumar, 74.80 is possible tomorrow or day after. So, not tomorrow, but maybe day after you can get that level, 74.80. I'm not saying it will come tomorrow, but definitely it will come. It can come by Friday, the 9th of January 2026. So, any other questions? Well, Mr. Kejriwal, you may be right, but I don't see it coming. Those levels coming to a level of $4,300 on gold and 70,000. Because currently gold is trading at 4,440. Seems unlikely. Seems unlikely. Vishalji, I wouldn't stick my neck out and give you this prediction. So I'm sorry about it. So now that pretty much completes my video. I'll meet you in my next video and have a good night and have a good day. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.